Okay, so Workbench list automatic keyboard navigation controls whether keyboard navigation in lists and trees is automatically triggered simply by typing. If set to false, keyboard navigation is only triggered when executing the list toggle keyboard navigation command, for which you can assign a keyboard shortcut. So let me show you the most common use case for me. When I click the Explorer window and I start typing, it automatically searches for those files that have package written in them. Or if I want to locate a JSON file, I can also do that, right? So this is very useful, and I can navigate these files using the up and down arrows. Now, if you set this to false, you would have to trigger that manually. I selected this area, I start typing, nothing happens. So I think that this is a really useful feature. Also, if you select the area and you start typing CSS files, you can just you can select the CSS folder, open it, and you can just navigate with your arrows, right? So I find this to be very useful, so I'm leaving this one set to true.